Hi, I'm Dan Harson. Today we're going to be discussing the unique benefits of a hydronic radiant heating system called Ultrafin. Now, over the next few minutes, we're going to show you how simple it is to install the Ultrafin radiant floor heating system, and we'll show you why it is so uniquely effective and efficient. Inside this two-story home behind me, we're going to walk you through the factory-recommended installation procedure that have made Ultrafin one of the most popular choices for both homeowners and building professionals. Got a few minutes? Great, let's get started. Radiant heating costs less per unit of heat than any other type of heating system, and it eliminates the need to overcompensate for cold surfaces such as windows and doors, where most heat loss in a home occurs. With a properly designed system, homeowners can realize up to a 30% cost savings over other types of heating, and they often save even more by using their system boiler for their household hot water as well. Radiant heat is widely regarded as the cleanest, quietest, healthiest form of heat. No blowing air means no noisy fans and no pings, no clicks, or other noises associated with expanding or contracting heating ducts. Draperies, furniture, and floors remain cleaner because there's no forced air blowing dust and fumes around the house. Damp areas and condensation are also markedly reduced, creating a healthier environment and eliminating molds and other contaminants that might otherwise be blown around the home. I see you guys have got started already. This is Matt and Malcolm. They're our installers for today, and they're going to show us the correct way to install the Ultrafin system. Now, it's probably worth mentioning at this point that it's easier to do if you get the installation done before you've done your general electrical and plumbing work. Now, just before we watch Matt and Malcolm get hard at work here, we're going to take a look at the actual components that go into making up your Ultrafin system. The Ultrafin system is designed specifically for North American wood frame homes and buildings. It uses a standard heating boiler and half-inch nominal pressure tubing to pipe hot water through the joist spaces beneath the floors. Within those joist spaces, the hot water's heat is conducted to lightweight louvered aluminum plates attached to the tubing called Ultrafins. The Ultrafins radiate the heat and warm the air between the joists, creating hot air convection. The hot air then warms the entire floor above it, converting it into a giant radiator which transmits comfortable, uniform heat throughout the living space above. For maximum efficiency and total comfort, every room of the house should have its own separate tubing circuit connected to the boiler manifold with its own dedicated zone valve, which in turn is connected to its own individual thermostat control. These separate circuits with their own thermostats we call comfort zones. Before you start the design layout of your Ultrafin system, McDuff goes